Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Todoist account on a laptop. Todoist is a powerful task management and productivity tool that helps you organize your daily tasks, prioritize, manage projects, and stay on top of deadlines. Whether you're a student, professional, or just want to organize your life better, Todoist makes planning simple and effective, and it works on laptops, mobile, and sync across devices. In this video I'll show you how to create a Todoist account step by step using a laptop. So first you need to open any of the web browser on your laptop such as Google, Chrome, Edge, or Safari. And after that, in the top there's an address bar. Type down todoist.com and enter it, and once the website loads you'll see this Todoist homepage. On the top right corner we can see there's an option for the login or either start for free. Over here select the start for free in the top right and select the sign up with email on the bottom, and type down your email and your password. When you're done, select sign up with email. But if you want to continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple, you can do that as well. Okay, again you are required to verify your email address, so simply go to your Gmail. Over here you can verify your email in the Todoist. Select verify email, and that is it. Select let's go over here. And after signing up, Todoist may ask a few questions like what you plan to use Todoist for, your experience level, if you want to manage any events over here, and that is it. You just sign up to your Todoist account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.